How are you, my friends? This is another pre-calculus challenging question about vectors. U is a vector of magnitude square root of 2 and direction angle 200 degrees. And V is a vector of magnitude 12 and direction angle 35 degrees. If the dot product of the vectors is A plus B square root of 3, find the value of A times B. For more pre-calculus challenging questions, please, you can visit the playlist down here. Let's start with the solution. We need the dot product. We know the dot product theorem says U dot V is equal to the magnitude of the U times the magnitude of the V times cosine alpha. Alpha is the angle between the vectors. So I can apply the formula here. U dot V, the magnitude of the first vector square root of 2, the magnitude of the second 12, cosine alpha. Now alpha, the angle between the vectors, which is 200 minus 35, which is 165. So this is cosine 165. 165 is not a special angle, but I can make it two special angles. I can convert 165 into 120 plus 45. Then I can apply cosine of A plus B, which is cosine of A cosine of B minus sine of A sine of B. Without using a calculator, the dot product will be 12 square root of 2 cosine 120 cosine 45 minus sine 120 sine 45. Now for 45 is easy. We know that special angle 120 is an angle in quadrant 2, and the reference will be 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. So we can say the cosine 120 is negative because it's in quadrant 2, and the sine 120 is positive. So I put here cosine 120 is minus half cosine 45, sine 120 square root of 3 over 2, sine 45 square root of 2 over 2. So this will be minus square root of 2 minus square root of 6 divided by 4. Now 12 divided by 4 will be 3 square root of 2 times this. So I can multiply, it will be minus 3 square root of 4 minus 3 square root of 12. Simplify more, square root of 4 will be only 2 plus 2 times the minus 3 will be minus 6. And 12 will be 4 times 3, so it will be minus 6 square root of 3. Compare it with the given. So A will be minus 6, B will be minus 6. When you find A times B will be plus 36, and that's the answer. Now for more questions on vectors in 2 dimensions, you can visit the playlists, either pre-calculus solved questions about vectors or pre-calculus course lectures 27 and 28. Many questions are there. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.